video, I will be showing you how to add your display name on your account on Bluesky on your profile section, easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application and then go to these three lines up here. Next, go to the profile, and then here you will find the edit profile up. So as you see here, you will find display name, so you can add your name here, example like this. And also if you want to change it, you can change it just from here. You can change your profile picture, and that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.